How to create a code of professional ethics. Have you ever wondered how organizations establish a strong ethical foundation? Creating a code of professional ethics is essential for guiding behavior in the workplace. Let's break down the steps to develop one that works for your organization. First, it is important to understand the difference between ethics and morals. Ethics are the principles that guide behavior in a professional environment, while morals are personal beliefs about right and wrong. Professional ethics combine these concepts to set clear standards for conduct at work. Begin by identifying the purpose and scope of your code. Clearly state why the code exists and who it applies to. This typically includes employees, managers, contractors, and sometimes even suppliers or partners. Specify when and where the code is effective, whether it applies only at the workplace or whenever someone represents the organization. Next, define the core values and ethical standards of your organization. These values, such as honesty, integrity, respect, and fairness, form the foundation of your code. For each value, provide clear examples of expected behavior and what is not acceptable. For instance, if honesty is a core value, clarify that employees must disclose conflicts of interest and must not deceive others. It is also important to list specific rules and guidelines. Address common ethical issues such as conflicts of interest, protecting company assets, and avoiding bribery. Ensure the rules are straightforward and easy to understand. For example, explain what a conflict of interest is, a situation where personal interests could interfere with professional judgment, and how to avoid or report it. Explain the consequences of not following the code. Make it clear that violating the code can lead to disciplinary action, including termination. This reinforces the importance of ethical behavior within the organization. Provide practical guidance on how to apply the code in daily work. Offer examples of ethical dilemmas and how to handle them. Encourage open communication so employees feel comfortable asking questions or reporting concerns. Finally, review and update the code regularly. As the organization grows or changes, the code may need adjustments to remain relevant and effective. From a philosophical ethics perspective, creating a code of professional ethics involves applying moral theories, such as utilitarianism, deontology, or virtue ethics, to real-world situations. The code should reflect not only legal requirements but also what is morally right, encouraging individuals to act with integrity and respect for others. This approach helps build trust within the organization and with clients, customers, and the public.